Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can set a timer on Instagram camera. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Now from here, you can go to your story and upload some photos from your gallery. So tap on this icon right here. I will just choose a random picture here. So for example, I will just choose this one. Now after this one, you can tap on this icon right here. And here you can search for countdown. Okay, so you can tap on this sticker here. Now you can edit the name of this. So for example, let's just name this one timer. And you can set the end date. So let me just set it to maybe tomorrow. Okay, now once you upload this one, it is going to automatically start counting the timer. So that's it for this video, guys. This is how you can set a timer on Instagram camera. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.